You see the ceiling all peeling, guys. Right, so we're going to use peel stop on it, okay? And we're all covered up, guys. Plastic sheets back in there. Bathroom. You can see the stain block on there in the corner. Lots to see a bit of stain block there as well. All scraped off here, guys. So, ready to put on the peel stop to stop the peeling. You can see it was really chalky, and you can tell because it's come off in tiny little sections. You can see the peel stop, I should say, not peel off, that's a totally different thing. So you can see it is clear, bonds to cracks and glues down old paint edges. But most importantly for us here is bonds the chalky substratus. So you can kind of see it looks white, but it's actually a little bit like the old Polybond. It dries transparent. There you can see the shine there. Might be able to see it when I do the whole ceiling, so I'm just going to show you now half the ceiling, so you can see the shine there done. Okay. You can see the whole ceiling done there, guys, now just drying in differentially, and some of it will dry quicker than the others, but you can see the glaze on the ceiling. Okay, that'll disappear. So what that does is that allows it bonds to the surface, and it actually goes into the pores, and then it also bonds the paint, so it bonds top and bottom like a double seal mechanism. Hi guys, so you can see we've got a coating ceiling there, first coat. We're going to let that stay overnight to let it breathable dry rather than just touch dry. Okay, really important when you got another application going on, so that the processes congeal correctly. Thanks guys. So here we go guys, here's the finished ceiling. As you can see, all the peeling stopped. And so 2 coats of the peel stop. Where it was needed, we did Bin's primer. There was a little water stain just there, and then Dulux sealant paint. About 3 coats, maybe a little touch up after that, 3.5. Thanks guys.